Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel CS and IT Tutorials by Vrushali. In last lecture, we have discussed about different algorithms and solve examples in AI. I have attached a complete AI playlist link in below description box. Now, in today's session, we will discuss one of the most important topic, that is alpha beta search tree and alpha beta pruning. Let's start the session. So, previously we have already discussed all the subjects in detail with simple examples, important question bank and practical demonstration. So please share my channel with your friends and subscribe it. That will be important for your university exams, end sem exams, then your placement, internship as well as entrance exam purpose. So today's session we will discuss about first heuristic alpha beta tree search. There are some real examples, alpha beta pruning, solve examples, alpha versus beta, and most important questions as per your exam point of view. So let's discuss all these points one by one. Now first thing is what exactly heuristic alpha beta tree search. So it is one of the algorithm used in gaming, or we can say it is a game playing search technique used in artificial intelligence. So basically this algorithm makes faster and better decision in competitive games like chess, online chess, then tic tac toe, checkers, this kind of game. So basically the game include the two player, one is computer or AI and another side human. So in this case alpha beta tree search this technique have used. So heuristic basically means it has some rules or methods that can be used to estimate the quality of the state, and these algorithms are used to find out the best move or taking the best decision in particular game. So these are the some applications where alpha beta tree search techniques have developed, like checkers, board game, different strategy game, then competitive game playing with agents. And again you all are familiar with this tic tac toe, then online chess. So this game where two players are there, at that time this technique is mostly used. Now let's understand first real life example, that is online chess. I think you all are familiar with this example. See, so imagine that you are playing chess against the computer, right? And computer has to decide which move should I play. So basically there are total two players. One is component, another one is opponent. Opponent means user, okay, human. Computer always want the highest score, and opponent always try to give computer lowest score, right? So that's why computer is called as max and opponent is called as min. So basically first one is computer move, then opponent move, again computer move, then opponent move. In this way they are playing the game and they are taking the best decision accordingly. Now there is a method alpha beta pruning. So alpha beta pruning make this min max game faster by cut off or skip those moves are not required. Those moves are irrelevant. They cut off this thing. So only eligible moves can be played. And that's why they make your online chess game more convenient and more faster, right? So this is a best example of alpha beta tree search algorithm. Now second example is tic tac toe. I think you again familiar with this game, right? So in tic tac toe, assume that X means computer and 0 means human. Okay. So computer is called as max and human is called as min. So computer always want to win, right? And human try to make computer lose. And these empty cells, these are the possible move. Got it? Now what happen here? Computer need to decide which empty cell should I choose, right? This is the game, right? So computer always choose the best empty cell. But it can take all possible future move using this min-max algorithm. But again, there is a alpha beta pruning method. This method help to skip the move that don't need to be checked. So basically they cut off all the moves that is not required, right? So again, here heuristic alpha beta tree pruning algorithm have used. So basically, when there are total two users or two players are there, one is AI or computer, another one is human. Computer always want to win and human always want to lose the computer. So at that time, this strategy is used. Got it? Now before solving example, first we will understand what exactly alpha beta pruning. So it is an optimization of min-max algorithm, and most important thing, it eliminate branches of game tree that do not need to be explored. For example, in particular game, there are total 300 moves and only 150 moves are required for win. So basically, this alpha beta pruning eliminate and cut off all the remaining 150 moves that not required and not explored. So because of that, it reduced the computational time and number of nodes evaluated. So basically, alpha beta pruning eliminate the unexplored node and irrelevant nodes in your game. So before solving example, you must know some terminologies. See here. The first one is alpha. Alpha basically represent the best highest value. That's why it is called as max. And initially alpha is minus infinity. Okay. Next one is beta. Beta always represent the best lowest value, which is called mean. And initially beta is indicated by infinity, that is positive infinity. Now this infinity indicate that initially no any node have visited. Okay. Next concept is max and min. So max represent the maximum value in AI and min represent the minimum value in AI. See here in this particular diagram, that is the tree data structure. In alpha beta search tree data structure have used. So the root node is always at the max. It indicated by the max. Next level indicated by min. Again next level indicated by max in this way. So max, min. This is the sequence. Okay. Now in this particular example or algorithm, there will be a pruning condition. So pruning condition means when you need to eliminate the move or when you need to cut off the branch of tree. So the condition is when alpha greater than equal to beta. When this condition is happen while solving example, you need to apply prune, that is alpha beta pruning. Okay. So these are the basic terminologies. Now let's understand this thing while solving the example. Now let's understand the example step by step. See here. So this is our given example. Now there are total 3 levels. Level 1, level 2 and level 3. A is the root node and root node is always the max. Okay. Next level is mean. Got it? Now initially alpha and beta. Alpha equal to minus infinity. Alpha always take the value in left subtree. Okay. Beta initial value is positive infinity. Beta always take the value from right subtree. Got it? So infinity indicate that currently no any node is explored or visited. Right? So this is the initial state. Now step 2. Now you need to explore all the nodes from the root in left to right side. Okay. Now A has total 2 child, B and C. So first you need to explore B. So our next step is go to B. Now check here. So from A we will move to B, right? And B has total 2 child, 3 and 5. Okay. Now this level 2 is minimum level. That is max, that is minimum. So you need to find out minimum value from these two, 3 or 5. So apply the minimum function. 3 or 5. Which one is minimum? 3, right? So now you need to send this 3 value to the B. So now B equal to 3. Okay, clear? Now next step is back to A. So our next step is back to A. So back to A basically means you need to send this 3 value towards the root node. Okay. So B equal to 3. It means that alpha equal to 3. So alpha means they take the value of left subtree. So alpha equal to 3 here. Got it? So these 3 values stored at the A, that is a root node. Okay. So now alpha equal to 3 and beta equal to positive infinity. Now next step is you need to explore the right side of the node. Okay. After B then C. So now check here. From root node it goes to the C. C has again total 2 childs, 2 and 9, and this level is minimum. So from 2 and 9, which one is minimum value? 2, right? So our beta equal to 2. Now you need to send this minimum value to the C. So C equal to 2. Got it? So just revise once. So here alpha equal to A equal to root node. Always start searching from left to right, then move to B side. So this level is minimum, right? So 3 and 5. Which one is minimum node? 3. So stored this 3 node at B. B equal to 3. And again stored this node to A, that is alpha equal to 3. Okay. Now explore the right side. So right side node is C. C has total 2 childs, 2 and 9. Which one is minimum? 2. So store this value in C, that is C equal to 2. And again this value sent towards the back A, that is beta equal to 2. Okay. So now alpha equal to 3 and beta equal to 2. Now next step, you need to apply pruning here because you already visited the left and right node. Okay. Now check here. So your alpha equal to 3 and beta equal to 2. Now check which one is minimum value. So which one is maximum value? Because A stored the maximum value, right? So check that alpha is greater than equal to beta. This is the pruning condition. When alpha is greater than beta, at that time you need to cut off the particular unexplored branch. So 3 is greater than 2 means condition is true, right? So you need to prune this particular node or branch because this is a unexplored node, unvisited node or irrelevant node. Got it? So basically we prune this remaining child 9. So when we compare 2 and 9, minimum is 2, right? So 9 cannot change the decision. Suppose there is a 1 value. So it can change the decision, right? But 9 is already greater than 3 and 2. So 9 cannot change the decision. So we prune it. We cut off this branch. Now your final decision is in this way. See here. So B stored the value 3, C stored the value 2. A is the maximum, right? So maximum 3 and 2. Which one is maximum value? 3. So value of A equal to 3. Means AI choose B, AI choose C and their values for moving purpose, right? Because in tic-tac-toe, in chess, there are multiple moves and a computer want to select the best move, right? So basically, what is the concept of pruning? They cut off the branches that cannot possibly affect the final decision. So this is called alpha beta pruning. Now this is a basic difference between alpha and beta. So alpha basically means find out the maximum value and beta is found for minimum value, that is left subtree, right subtree. So it used by the gaming where two players are there, like one is computer, another one is opponent. So we can say alpha means computer and beta means opponent. So max always find out the maximize the score, computer always find out the best move, they maximize the score. And opponent always want to minimize the computer score, right? Initial value of A is negative infinity and beta is positive infinity. Max always find out the better value and mean always find out the smaller value. And this is the pruning condition. Got it? So this is a basic concept of alpha beta search tree. Now as per your previous year question paper, these all questions are important. Means compulsory. They will ask any one question from this. Like explain alpha beta tree search and cutoff procedure in detail with example. So you should prepare same example that I have mentioned on this slide. Then again explain min max and alpha beta pruning algorithm. Again explain how to use alpha and beta cutoff to improve the performance and how AI technique used to solve tic-tac-toe problem. So I am suggesting you prepare this question compulsory for 6 to 8 marks. So this is all about. Stay tuned for my next video. Thank you. All the best.